Imagine a world where machines can think and learn like humans, where transactions are secure and transparent. Welcome to the unseen revolution. We're living in a time of unprecedented technological change. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a sci-fi concept, it's a reality that's transforming industries and lives. Blockchain technology has been adopted by over 90% of Fortune 500 companies. But what does this mean for us? How will our world be different tomorrow than it is today? As we stand at the threshold of a new era in tech, it's essential to understand the unseen revolution unfolding before our eyes. From artificial intelligence to blockchain, these emerging technologies are changing the game. But what does this mean for businesses? Are they ready to adapt and thrive in this new landscape? The state of tech today is a landscape of rapid change. Emerging technologies like blockchain are transforming industries and businesses. But what does this mean for us? Let's take a closer look at blockchain and its applications. Blockchain technology has been adopted by over 90% of Fortune 500 companies. It's not just about cryptocurrency, it's about secure, transparent, and efficient data management. Companies like Walmart and Maersk are already using blockchain to track their supply chains. But what's the potential of this technology? Can we use it to create a more secure and trustworthy internet? The world's first quantum computer was released in 2019, and it's set to revolutionize computing as we know it. But how will this impact our daily lives? We'll explore that in the next chapter. Deep Dive: Blockchain and its applications has left us with a lot to think about. We've seen how blockchain is being adopted by major companies, but what does this mean for us? As we become increasingly dependent on technology, are we losing touch with the people around us? As we explore the latest advancements in tech, it's clear that these innovations are changing our world at an unprecedented pace. From blockchain to artificial intelligence, each breakthrough is building upon the last, creating a web of interconnected possibilities. But what does this mean for us? How will these emerging technologies shape our future? As we conclude our deep dive into the latest advancements in tech, it's clear that these innovations will shape our world. From blockchain to artificial intelligence, each technology has the potential to revolutionize industries and transform lives. But what's next? How will these emerging technologies continue to evolve and impact our daily lives? Background: the state of tech today. We're living in a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. From smartphones that can recognize our faces to virtual assistants that can understand our voices, AI is everywhere. But what's driving this revolution? Let's take a closer look. The average person checks their phone over 150 times per day. That's a lot of data being generated and processed every second. And it's not just about convenience, it's about creating new opportunities for innovation. Blockchain technology has been adopted by over 90% of Fortune 500 companies, too, but AI is the next big thing. It's changing the way we live, work, and interact with each other. But what does this mean for us? How will AI shape our future? The world's first quantum computer was released in 2019. This technology has the potential to solve complex problems that have been unsolvable until now. And it's not just about solving problems, it's about creating new possibilities. We're on the cusp of a new era of innovation, and AI is leading the way. But what does this mean for our daily lives? How will AI change the way we work, learn, and interact with each other? The potential applications are vast, from healthcare to finance. And it's not just about technology, it's about people. We're talking about a future where machines can think and learn like humans. But what does this mean for our jobs, our relationships, and our very way of life? Deep Dive: Blockchain and its applications. We've seen how blockchain technology has been adopted by over 90% of Fortune 500 companies. But what's next? The Internet of Things is revolutionizing our world, making our lives more convenient and efficient. From smart homes that can adjust their temperature and lighting to cities with intelligent transportation systems, IoT is changing the way we live and work. Synthesis: connecting the dots. Cybersecurity threats are projected to cost the global economy $6 trillion by 2021. The average person checks their phone over 150 times per day, making them a prime target for cyber attacks. We've seen major companies like Equifax and Marriott fall victim to devastating data breaches. But what's behind these attacks? Is it just a matter of time before your business is next? The rise of AI, a new era of innovation. We're living in a time where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives. But what does this mean for business and society as a whole? In this chapter, we'll explore the world of data analytics and how it's changing the way companies operate. The Internet of Things, revolutionizing our world. We're living in a world where devices are becoming increasingly connected. From smart homes to self-driving cars, the Internet of Things is revolutionizing the way we live and work. But what's driving this revolution? It's not just about convenience or efficiency, it's about something much bigger. Data analytics, unlocking the power of big data. As we've seen in previous chapters, big data is transforming industries and revolutionizing the way we live. But what happens when we take this power to the next level? Enter quantum computing, a field that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With its unparalleled processing power, quantum computing has the potential to solve complex problems that were previously unsolvable. As we stand at the threshold of a new era in technology, one thing is clear: the pace of innovation will only continue to accelerate. Quantum computing, once the stuff of science fiction, has become a reality. We've seen breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, blockchain, and cybersecurity. But what's next? How will these emerging technologies shape our world?